In-kleind products are in stock. And because of that, the best sale that I've ever had will be ending as soon as my wonderful son and wife help me finish shipping out all the Pika Screw and STANDOFF back orders that I need to get through. Thanks a million to both of you. That won't happen for a couple days after I post this video, so if you're watching this early, you can still get in on it. It's 25% off everything when you use code STANDOFF, as in Pika Screw standoffs that you've seen me use to hang signs, build floating shelves, and make wall hangers. But it applies to everything I sell, and that's what makes it the biggest sale that I've ever had, because it stacks with a twin turbo vise promotion, 0 extra cost for a fast action handle. If you want to get in on that before it ends, link in the description. The title is a real thing, and the break is from content. I am going to go quiet for a while, at least for the summer. So to close this post, I wanted to do a tour of some things that I'll be working on while I'm away from social media and posting that you'll see more of when I come back. First off, this is the only professionally made business sign hung with Pika screws, and I am going to be working very hard to change that. I have some big bid packages in the works, so cross your fingers for me. This is an incomplete concept for a Workbench Deadman. So, when I come back, I'll be telling you more about this. Very briefly, reason I'm doing this is because the twin turbo vise was always part of a larger ambition to design a bench that excels in all the classical functionality and work holding needs, but does so in new and interesting ways. Better ways, if I'm being bold. And the Deadman I made 4 years ago falls far short, so I'm going to try to remedy that. Also, top priority to remedy is getting my 3D printers off this bench and back in the cabinet I made for them. They're quieter than my old ones, so I'm no longer planning on closing them in. I'm going to paint the frame black instead. And that was the perfect excuse to finally use Black 4.0. This is an extremely black, light-absorbing paint. But that is not why I have been excited to use it, even though it's perfect for this. See, the thing is, this exists because of a beef between two artists. I won't go into the whole thing now, but if you are one of those two artists, you're not allowed to buy this paint. It says it right on the website. So, who can resist such delicious beef? I wanted to talk about it. This gives me an excuse. Next, this is the prototype of a stabilizer bar for a big slab table that works with Pika screws. It is easy to install because it's just getting to depth with a single router bit. And this became a priority after I spent the money for some beautiful slabs. An upgrade from C-channel stabilizers seemed worth it, and I'm going to see if others agree. I'm also going to design and prototype a Pika screw mounted base. I'm really excited for both of these. If you'd like to pre-order them, you can't yet. I got to get a bit further along. Lastly, I wanted to give CS Woods in Denver a shout out. They gave me a deal on the slabs in exchange for some coverage, and they have an incredible selection, very meticulous about moisture levels and making sure you don't get any surprises. They also flatten slabs, do dimensioning, and are really great to work with. I'll talk more about them later when I'm back, but for now you can check out many of their slabs on their website, which I have linked. Thanks for watching. See you when I'm back. This might actually be a good time to hit the bell icon so that you're notified when I do start posting again. Just a thought. Cheers.
Dad, how is it toning?
Well, you gotta join my channel to learn how I did that.